Hey guys, so it's been about 2 months since I've moved to Japan, and this is my dormitory. So I thought I'd make a video just showing around how my room looks like. So the dormitory I'm staying at is Motosumiyoshi International Dormitory, and it's a Keio University dormitory. And yeah, this is my room. So maybe you should start from the front. It's the front door. And next to the front door, there's some storage spaces where you can store random stuff, and I just dump a bunch of things where I don't know where to put. I just put it here. So this is the sink. I put my toothbrush, shaving stuff here. Underneath the sink is I put trash. So yeah. Moving on, this is the closet where I store my clothes and stuff. I drop random laundry on the ground and I drop random jackets on top. So that's the closet. The desk is a little small. The chair kind of sucks, but you know, I'll make do. Comes with 2 drawers, which I store paper. They love their paper. There's tons of paper. And yeah, this is my setup. This is my computer. And I hooked up like 2 hard drives and a Ethernet cable because this room does have Wi-Fi. In fact, it's right here. And the Wi-Fi is actually pretty good. I'll put up like some speed test overlay. But since there's Ethernet, I know I might as well just use Ethernet. So you do have a choice, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now this is the bed. It's not really a bed, it's more like a futon. So I'm pretty sure I'm not sleeping on it on the proper way, because this is like the middle blanket and this is like I don't know what layer this is, and this is supposed to be the top blanket. But this futon is so thin that you're literally sleeping on just hard wood. So I use the top blanket as an additional layer of bedding. Yeah. This is the area where you store your luggage, but I want a nightstand, so I use my luggage as a nightstand. Yeah, so I'm charging my Switch now. So usually in the morning, I take all these out and I just push it in, and there we go. You store your nightstand. But I kind of like to keep it out. So this is my nightstand next to chargers. So yeah, this pillow that I have here is actually bought from a Big Camera, because the pillow they give is actually literally a rock. And yeah, the first few nights have been kind of rough. So yeah, so that's the bed. There is one drawer at the bottom here where I store the rest of my clothes. And yeah, I just put my random bags here. So this is the view of literally nothing and an aircon condenser or whatever you call it. It is pretty cold, like 15-16 degrees. Actually, yeah, and there is a mosquito net, you can see. Yeah, it's a mosquito net. And this is the view outside. Nothing much except probably neighbors next door. Nothing much. So that's the outside. There is a Lawson's next door, somewhere there, but pretty convenient, 10-second walk. So now to the toilet. This is the toilet. So they don't have tissue paper, so you have to buy toilet roll and everything yourself. There is storage up here for towels, toilet rolls. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the toilet does have heated seats and a bidet, so you spray your butt and you can adjust like how strong you want, how hot you want the seat is and how hot you want the spray the water is and how strong as well. So yeah, it's a pretty nice toilet. I don't know why they like to separate the rooms, but they do. Like, they separate the toilet into like 3 different parts. And the shower and the bath. I don't bath. I don't bathe. But yeah, this is the bath. And there's a fan here. You can control the speed with this. So it goes faster and goes slower. And yeah, I hang my towel here and just take a shower here because I don't take baths. And yeah, you have space to put your shampoo and whatnot. So that is that. Yeah, I also had to buy this this floor mat, this towel mat. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the pillow I bought. Yeah, I'm planning to use this as a dustbin. So I'm gonna put some like plastic bags because, well, you need to separate your trash. Right, there is a fridge here. So I just have milk there. That's about it. And you use this to control your milk. Nothing much to it. This is a freezer and it's actually cold. I don't use it, but yeah. I use this as small storage and as a shelf. Yeah. So there is an aircon. It works both as a heater and a cooler. It's the remote for it. But yeah, this is to cool the room. This is to heat the room. But I use this, which is just basically a fan, since it's already cold enough in Japan right now. So yeah, it does both heating and cooling, which is pretty cool. Other cool things is that this room has this weird thing where you can just push, and it lets outside air come in, and yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cooling, and it's filtered as well. There's like a filter there, so it lets clean air come into the room. Don't know why they added that, but yeah, sure. So this is the first floor. So the first and second floor are for males, and the third and fourth floor are for females. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the room tour. Nothing much to it. It is a pretty nice dormitory, I would say. There is a common area, which is the cafeteria, and there's a TV and some couches. I'll put the image on the screen right now. Oh yeah, there's this weird intercom for when visitors come to the front, and they can talk to you here. You can like open the door or something. But I think they should just call you on your phone, because I don't know how to use this. So yeah, that is the room tour. Thanks for watching.